Here's how we can turn off contact suggestions on an iPhone. Let's get started and let me quickly show you how it works. If you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe for more videos and tutorials like this one. So you open up settings and essentially you want to scroll through the available menus and find the Siri or the Apple Intelligence, and Siri depends on your model, country, and version. But yeah, you just get in here. And when you scroll down a little bit, you have the suggestions place. And this is essentially the thing which you can manage. Not too many toggles for you to tweak or change, but definitely something which you can do. For example, you have the show when sharing, and that is the thing which you are probably referring to, because whenever you have that turned on, you might be inside of a Photos app, for example. When you click on share, you can see you're going to get suggestions for people, some persons that you are texting with regularly, or some people you send a lot of emails to, right? And those will be suggested to you and recommended to you from the contacts and from the interactions you have in your phone. And obviously, if you don't want that to show up, you can turn it off right here and you are basically safe, and only the other types of apps are going to show up when you click on a share. So that is pretty nice. I kind of like that. I just don't want to see some random people in there, but there are obviously other suggestions in here as well, like suggesting apps and notifications and so many other things as well. So you can play with that, but let me know what you think below in the comments. I really hope that I can help you out and assist you with this. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.